working on a Cadillac. Now, this is the one that we have run a lot of video on because we painted this car, and I think it's kind of a well-known car all over the country because I seem to get a lot of emails on this car too. Gorgeous car. So after we finished doing all the paintwork on it, we have started now on the power windows, and all the windows on every door did not work. First thing we did was we fixed all the wiring in the front door so that we even actually had power. And then we've identified the problems, and it's everything from electrical issues to the motor, to switches, the way the windows line up, to getting it all straightened down. We're down to this door right here that we're working on today. The channel's messed up, so even to take the motor loose, it's hard to move the window up and down. And we did this one fixed. And one is broad. We got the window working pretty well, but the wing vent doesn't work. So when you guys are out there doing this, don't get discouraged because this stuff is really difficult, and you may need some help. I'm always around to help if you want to email me, but it's a difficult thing to do, and it takes time. There's somebody like Omar here that goes like this so that he can do it and not have any issues.